Meaning of icebound.
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 Icebound. Icebound refers to a situation where an area or body of water is completely covered in ice, making it impossible for travel or movement to occur. This can occur in extremely cold temperatures or in areas with heavy snowfall. When an area becomes icebound, transportation and communication can be severely disrupted, leading to economic and social challenges. The consequences of being icebound can range from inconvenience to life-threatening situations. In summary, being icebound means being trapped by ice, unable to move or travel, which can have considerable consequences on the affected individuals and communities.